Hey, what's going on, guys? James Bill from jamesbilljr.com. And today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Aweber to your Builderall. Your Aweber to Builderall. I'm going to show you this, guys, step by step. I know how it is. I remember when I first tried to do this, I had headaches and wanted to just pull my hair out of my head. But you won't have that to worry about after this video, guys. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Here's the Builderall back page here. And what we're going to do is go ahead and start with a new website. I want to show you guys from scratch how this goes. Like my grandmother used to say in the kitchen there when she was whipping up them old-fashioned cakes, homemade cakes. It's from scratch. Okay. So let's go to sales funnels and find us a nice landing page here with something we can capture email. This looks pretty good here. We'll try that one out. But yeah, guys, trust me, after this video, you won't have that problem. You'll be all set to go. Builderall has an awesome platform here. For half the prices, some of your other websites. No names said or mentioned here. Okay, here's the landing page. And before we can do anything, they always want you to save before you can move forward. So I'm not going to edit any of this stuff. You can simply come in here and put whatever you'd like to. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just hit the save button right here to confirm that I'm good with that right there. Let's just put a little some kind of test here. And it should allow me to move forward to the next step. And there it is. Now, assuming that you have your page all done, and now you're ready to do your integration. So you go here to this button here, you right click on it, and you go to configure. Okay. Now, I understand Aweber used to be on this list somewhere, but for whatever reason, it's no longer here. So what you have to do is go to other platforms. Click on that, and it's going to direct you to this area here. It's got a link. You don't want the link. What you're going to want is HTML. Okay. You want the HTML. And I'm going to show you the next step. We're going to go to Aweber. Let me open up my Aweber from scratch. Like grandma used to say, everything has to be from scratch. That's the real deal. I didn't want to come in here halfway showing you. I want to show you from scratch, the beginning. Okay, so you want your inside of your Aweber, you want to go ahead and click on sign up forms. Then you want to hit create sign up form. And if I'm going too fast, you can always stop your video and pause it or whatever you need to do there. Okay, and once you get to, and this is, I have the generic form here that, it's already populated here. And that was fine for me. So, and you're not going to need this anyway. You're using your other one. This basically, it's kind of like a hub for your landing page, but so it doesn't really matter too much. And so anyhow, like I say, after you get to that step there, you go ahead and go to the next step. And from there, you have your basic thank you page. And you do not want your basic thank you page. You're going to want to enter a custom thank you page here. Now, I did not enter my URL. You can check on that a little further into details, but I did not enter mine and everything worked fine. That's my opinion. That's the way I did it. Okay. And it worked for me. Okay. So, with that being said, but you do want to hit custom page. Okay. Let's go back over this here. You don't want the basic version. You want custom page because you're going to be customizing your own page. All right. And from there, you'll go to step 3. It says you must save your form before it can be published. Save form. No big deal. Okay. Then you want to click on I will install my form. Now it's going to direct you to the JavaScript or the raw HTML. You want to click on the raw HTML. Click the raw HTML. You're going to want to go here, click that, copy everything inside of there, and you come right back to your Builderall. Right click on this button again, configure, other platforms. We don't want link, we want the HTML. Now everything you just copied from your Aweber, you want to go ahead and click and paste that right here. And mine did not allow me to just right click like I used to do and it drop it in there. So what I ended up doing was hitting Control V and it dropped everything in there for me. And I hit on that confirm. And guys, when I hit that confirm button, everything is going right to your Aweber. And that's the way you load or connect your Aweber to your Builderall. And the same thing with the pop-up. If you want to create a pop-up, add pop-up, you can go here and select whatever pop-up. Let's take this one for the sake of this video. Confirm that. Why is my button freezing up on me like that? Let's try that again. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Now, yeah, I'm glad it did that because I did the same thing when I tried to do this for the very first time. You have to have a title there. Just going to call this one JB Capture Page. Now, confirm. And there goes your pop-up button. Same thing. You put whatever information you want here. Okay. Same thing like before. Here goes your configuration button. You don't want link. You want the HTML. Go over to, you're going to have to do the same process. Build the same process, guys, step by step. Get your capture, get your, I'll call you back. Get your HTML code right here and come back to Builderall and drop it right inside of that HTML space and confirm that. And it's going to tie in your Aweber with your Builderall here. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and shoot me a message, leave a comment, guys. But that's basically how you connect your Aweber with your Builderall. And if you're using this for business, any type of business, I have my number one recommendation on work from home business, and you might want to check that out. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for you down below, guys, to check that out. But once again, my name is James Bill, and I hope you got value from this. And, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you'll be the first to know the next time that I create another video like this. So until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video.